So no doubt in a previous segment, you've probably seen us on location here at Missouri State University, West Plains. We've been talking about the incredible experience that students have here with some excellent hands-on experience. And so I wanted to go behind the scenes and I wanted to check some of that out for myself. I'm sitting here with Sheila. Sheila, talk to us a little bit about your program because this is kind of hands-on central here, right?
Absolutely. Our programs are hands-on technical programs really based on the manufacturing industry.
Yeah.
We have both 1-year and 2-year programs, advanced welding and fabrication, advanced industrial maintenance, and manufacturing technology management.
Yeah, so 1-year and 2-year programs, that's pretty impressive. So students can literally spend just a short amount of time like that and then get into a career.
Absolutely, they can spend 1 year, they come out with 30 credits worth of training, able to go right into the workforce and have a job.
That's amazing. That's
Yes.
amazing. One of those areas that I really want to dive in with you, which is something that's so important, which is the welding industry.
Yes.
How are you training students in welding here?
We are, this is our first year to have this, and we are a Lincoln Electric partner school. So our students are learning hands-on welding from entry level to advanced areas.
Yeah.
They're receiving certifications in each of those processes of welding, and getting an opportunity to really work in any type of industry that they want to go into.
Yeah, it's always great to see the community wrapping around something incredible like this. And so, Sheila, I want to ask you, we're sitting here in a classroom, but I'd love to see actually what's going on back there. And so
Yes.
I understand we're going to be meeting 2 students. Do you
Yes.
mind introducing us to them?
Yes, our first student was laid off from a past Regal Beloit manufacturing layoff.
Oh, yeah.
She used her funds through the state of Missouri to be retrained. She did the advanced industrial maintenance program and then decided that she would really like to do the welding program as well, and so she's finishing that welding program.
That's incredible.
And then our other student is a veteran who came back to this area using his veteran services he took the alternative energy program and now completing the welding and fabrication program.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm
Yes.
excited to meet them. Well, here we are back on the welding floor here. I'm standing here with Jesse. Jesse, this is pretty impressive. What's been your experience here at Missouri State West Plains?
Well, this is awesome. This is my second program here, and by far, welding is my favorite program.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. I mean, this is really, really impressive. There's some students learning right now behind us. And so, Jesse, I want to ask you, I understand you're a veteran.
Yes, sir.
And so talk to me about what was appealing about Missouri State West Plains.
Well, for one thing, it was local. And second of all, it had the programs that I wanted, like alternative energy, and then the welding program started this semester.
Yeah. So what do you hope to do after school?
I plan on getting a job in welding.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
You
yes, sir.
most definitely will after your excellent education here. Jesse, way to go. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Okay, I want to introduce you to another student who's learning back here in the Welding Center of Missouri State University, West Plains. Yvonne, this is incredible. I mean, this is, people are working hard behind us and learning some great skills. And so I want to ask you, how did you find Missouri State West Plains?
First of all, I came for some extra classes because I worked in maintenance at Regal Beloit Corp when it was still open here in West Plains. And we came to learn like troubleshooting and stuff like that, and for the maintenance course. And then when Regal closed, I had the opportunity to further my education. So I came back here, and now they have this welding program, which is awesome.
Oh, so cool, so cool. It even sounds cool behind us. And
It
so,
is, it
Yvonne,
is.
Yvonne, I want to ask you, so when thinking about your experience here, I know that students love hands-on experience. It's something that's very important so that you can enter into the workplace following that. And so what is the hands-on experience here that you've experienced?
We started out with, which Mr. Cook first, right away got us out here and got us welding. And I believe hands-on is what it's all about.
Yep.
And we started out with MIG, which is a type of welding, and then we went to flux core, and then we went to stick welding, and now we're on TIG, which, who would have thought by this time we would be doing TIG, which is what I consider the hardest one.
Wonderful. I have to give you a fist bump for that, Yvonne. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.